On the banks of a quiet lake, the duck Monu lived alone. He was always ready to help others. One day, a fast truck passed by the road near the lake and a scream was heard nearby. Monu rushed there and saw a cat lying on the ground, its leg injured. "Are you okay?" Monu asked softly. "My leg is hurting a lot," the cat groaned. Monu immediately supported it with his wings and laid it down in a shady spot on the lakeshore. He plucked leaves from nearby plants and tied them on the cat's wound. In a few days, the cat was named Simmi, and it was completely cured. Simmi and Monu now became good friends. It was a few weeks later. Monu went swimming in the lake as usual, but something strange was happening in the bushes far away. As he came to the shore, a wild dog came out of the bushes and ran towards Monu. Monu was stunned with fear. He could not fly because his wings were wet. Just then, Simmi jumped from a high branch of the tree and jumped in front of the dog. "Get back!" Simmi hissed and showed her sharp claws. The dog backed away a little, but then came forward barking. Simmi clawed his nose. The dog ran away screaming in pain. Monu looked at Simmi, his eyes filled with gratitude and happiness. "You saved my life," Monu said. Simmi smiled. "Just like you saved mine. There is no calculation in friendship. There is only companionship." After that day, Monu and Simmi's friendship became even stronger. Together, they would help the animals living on the banks of the lake.